Hi, Tony here from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're looking at the FixRite flush valve linked to a handle. So in this, first we're going to install the handle. Right, we need to fit the cradle. So this just unclips. Take that part out. We just need to fit the cradle. Just turning it around so it's easier for me. Obviously hand tight, and then you'd nip it up with some pliers, pump pliers or grips. Right, and next is to install the valve, which just locks and turns to a point. And then we attach the mechanism, flushing mechanism, to the handle. Just needs to slot in like that. You heard that go in. The lock nut just holds it in place.